Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn French with Peehu. I'm Peehu and today we'll continue with our topic, the French numbers. So this is the part 2 of this video. Let me recall you what we have done in the previous video. So we have talked about the French numbers from 1 to 20 and today we'll finally start with our new numbers. So let's continue our chapter. So let me give you a short learning outcome what we will cover in this video. So we will count in French from 21 to 50, understand how French numbers are formed, pronounce tricky numbers correctly, recall numbers easily using memory tricks. So let's quickly start with the numbers from 20. So 20 is pronounced as 20, 20, 20. So 20 is pronounced as 20. For your help, I also gave you a third column to help you in your pronunciations, so that you just can't, so that you just won't get confused in it. Okay, so 20 is pronounced as 20. Let's move on to 21. So 21 is pronounced as 21, 21. So 21 is pronounced as 21. 22 is pronounced as 22, 22, 22. So 22 is pronounced as 22. 23 is pronounced as 23, 23, 23. So 23 means 23. So 24 is pronounced as 24, 24, 24. So 24 is 24. 25 is 25. So 25 is pronounced as 25, 25, 25. So 25 is 25. So 26 is pronounced as 26, 26, 26. So 26 is pronounced as 26. Now 27, it is pronounced as 27, 27, 27. So 21 is pronounced as, 27 is pronounced as 27. Now let's move on to 28. So 28 is pronounced as 28, 28, 28. So 28 is pronounced as 28. Now 29, it is pronounced as 29, 29, 29. So 29 is 29. Now 30, it is pronounced as 30, 30, 30. So 30 is 30. Now let's repeat one more time. 20 is pronounced as 20, 20. 21 is 21, 21. 22 is 22, 22. 23 is 23, 23. 24 is 24, 24. 25 is 25, 25. 26 is 26, 26. 27 is 27, 27. 28 is 28, 28. 29 is 29, 29. And at the end, 30 is pronounced as 30, 30. Okay? So now let's see a memory trick to remember these all. Okay? So master memory trick, block plus Lego rule. So now after seeing this, you're probably thinking, what is block plus Lego rule? So basically we are talking about the formation of French numbers. I gave you a memory trick so that it's keep your mind like how to form in easy way. So now let's start. So rule number 1, think of a base number as a big block. So take any base number like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 till 90. You can get any base number and just think like it's a big block. Okay? In French, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. are fixed block, either of these will stay as the first position. So take any base number and it will stay at the first position, like it will stay at the first digit. Okay, so it will never change these blocks, you will just attach small numbers to them. So these base numbers will never change, the small numbers will join them. Okay, so memory line, big number stays same, small number joins. So this is a memory line to keep in mind easily. So here these are the base numbers in French. Okay, so 20 is 20 like we saw earlier, 30 is 30, 30, and 40 is 40, 40, 40. 40 is 40 and 50 is 50, 50, 50. So 50 is 50. So we have saw the base numbers. Now let's see rule number 2. So numbers from 1 to 9 are Lego pieces. So we have think about the base numbers like a big blocks, and now from numbers 1 to 9 are small Lego pieces. Okay, numbers from 1 to 9 are like Lego pieces. You attach them to the big block using a hyphen. So we also talked about the hyphen in our video part 1. If you haven't saw it, go, the link is in the description box. And if you haven't watched the part 1 yet, you won't understand this video. So go and quickly watch it. Okay, so you attach them to the big block using a hyphen. So now let's see how you attach Lego pieces to the base number. So now, how can you write 23 in other possible ways? Yeah, you're correct. We can write 20 plus 3. So in the same way, how 20 can be written? 1. And how 3 can be written? 3. So what is 20 plus 3? Means 1 plus 3. Yeah, you're correct. It's 23. So you will just attach the hyphen at the place of the plus sign, like we saw in our part 1. So it will be 13. Same, it will goes with 37. So how can you write 37? We can write 30 plus 7, right? So how 30 can be written? 30, and what is set? 7, it's set. So 30 plus 7. So what I said, you will replace the plus sign with the hyphen. So it will become 37. So that's how the French numbers are basically formed. Okay. So I have also give you a formation formula to keep in mind easily. So it's base plus hyphen plus numbers from 1 to 9. Okay. So now let's move on. But there is a golden exception also. Let's see what is that exception. So it is the A rule. So it is the A rule. Okay. Rule number 3. A comes with 1. So what does it mean? In French, A is equal to and. So what is and? It's A. Okay. It comes only when 1 comes after 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. with the base numbers. Like if you say 21, 31, 41, 51, etc. So the A will come at the place of hyphen in the formation. Okay. So 21 is 21, like you see in the example 21. So how can 21 be written? It's written 20 plus 1, right? So it will become 1 plus a. Now you will replace the plus sign with the word A in between at the place of hyphen. Okay. So it will become 21 and 31, 31, and for 41, 41, for 51, 51, etc. Okay. So I also give you a formation formula. It will become base plus A plus numbers from 1 to 9. Okay. it is just same like the other one, but here when it comes with 1, you will just add the word a in between at the place of hyphen. Okay, I'm sure that it is easy for you. So now let's see numbers from 30. Okay, finally. So how 30 can be pronounced? Trente. 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 So trente is 30. 31 is 31. 31. So as you can see, it is a in between. And for the other words, it's hyphen because it's ending with the digit 2. It comes only when it ends with the digit 1. Okay. So how 32 can be written? 32, 32, 32. So 32 is 32. Now for 33, it's 33, 33, 33. So 33 is 33. So 34 is 34, 34, 34. So 34 is 34, sorry. So how 35 can be written? 35, 35, 35. So 35 is 35. So what is 36? Now 36 is 36. So 36, 36, 36. So 36 is 36. Now 37, 37, 37. So 37 is 37. Now 38 it's 38, 38, 38. Now 38 is 38. 39 is pronounced as 39, 39, 39. 39 is 39. Now 40 is pronounced as 40, 40, 40. Okay. So now let's pronounce one more time. 30, 30, 30. 31, 31, 31. 32, 32. 33, 33. 34, 34. 35, 35. 36, 36. 37, 37. 38, 38. 39, 39. 40, 40. So now let's see numbers from 40. So 40 is pronounced as 40, 40. And 41 is 41, 41, 41. So 41 is 41. Now 42, 42, 42. So 42 is 42. Now 43, 43, 43. So 43 is 43. Now 44, 44, 44. So 44 is 44. Now 45, 45, 45. 45 is 45. Now 46, 46, 46. So 46 is 46. Now 47, 47, 47. So 47 is 47. Now 48, 48, 48. So 48 is 48. Now 49, 49, 49. 49 is 49. Now 50, 50, 50. So 50 is 50. Okay. Now let's repeat one more time. 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, and the end 50, 50. Okay, so are you clear with these numbers? I'm sure that you. Now finally it's time for the practice time. So French numbers quiz from 21 to 50. Okay, so question number 1, how do you say 21 in French? Yeah, think about it. Yeah, you're correct. It's the option B, 21. Now, what is the number 34 in French? Yeah, it's the option C, 34. Now, which French number corresponds to 47? Yeah, you're correct. It's the option A, 47. Now, how is 50 written in French? Yeah, you're correct. It's the option C, 50. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Learn French with Peehu for more upcoming videos. I hope that you like this video and you understand the French numbers. So keep practicing every day and you'll improve faster than you think. So bye and see you soon.